blackheads vanished overnight with this kitchen secret. 2 years ago, my face looked like a strawberry field. Blackheads covered my nose, chin, and forehead despite trying every expensive product available. Dermatologist visits provided temporary relief that lasted maybe 2 weeks. Then my Korean friend shared her grandmother's recipe that literally melted stubborn blackheads within hours. What she taught me about natural oil cleansing completely revolutionized my skincare approach. The Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology published fascinating research on oil cleansing for acne treatment. Contrary to popular belief, certain oils actually dissolve sebaceous plugs more effectively than harsh chemical treatments. The study showed 89% improvement in blackhead reduction using specific oil combinations. But here's the incredible science behind why oil dissolves blackheads perfectly. Blackheads consist of oxidized sebum, dead skin cells, and bacteria trapped in pores. Similar oils dissolve these plugs following the chemistry principle that dissolves naturally. My personal breakthrough happened with jojoba oil mixed with castor oil. Within 3 hours of application, blackheads literally started surfacing and dissolving. After 1 week of nightly treatment, my nose looked completely clear for the first time in years. Jojoba oil, technically, isn't oil but liquid wax that mimics skin's natural sebum. This similarity allows it to penetrate deeply and dissolve hardened plugs effectively. Castor oil's ricinoleic acid provides antimicrobial properties that prevent bacterial growth in cleared pores. Dr. Leslie Bauman, a renowned dermatologist, advocates oil cleansing for problematic skin. Her research shows that stripping natural oils triggers overproduction of sebum. Gentle oil cleansing maintains balance while effectively removing impurities without irritation. Preparation requires specific ratios for optimal blackhead dissolution results. Mix 70% jojoba oil with 30% castor oil in small glass container. This combination provides cleansing power without excessive drying that triggers rebound oil production. Application technique determines success more than product quality in many cases. Massage oil mixture into dry skin for exactly 3 minutes. Focus extra attention on blackhead-prone areas like nose and chin. Steam your face afterward to open pores for deeper cleansing. Timing your treatment maximizes effectiveness dramatically based on skin's natural cycles. Evening application allows overnight penetration while you sleep. Morning removal reveals dissolved blackheads and clearer pores. Consistency for 7 consecutive days provides remarkable lasting results. Start with patch testing if you're prone to skin sensitivities. Apply small amount to inner wrist and wait 24 hours. Some people experience initial purging as trapped debris surfaces. This typically resolves within 1 week of consistent use. Quality oils make enormous differences in therapeutic effectiveness, unfortunately. Choose organic, cold-pressed jojoba oil without synthetic additives. Pure castor oil should be hexane-free and preferably organic. Cheap oils often contain impurities that clog pores further. Watch for these dramatic improvements during your skin transformation journey. Reduced blackhead visibility occurs within the first 3 applications. Pore size appears smaller as plugs dissolve completely. Skin texture becomes noticeably smoother throughout the treatment period. The Korean skincare philosophy emphasizes gentle, consistent care over aggressive treatments. Their multi-step routines focus on maintaining skin barrier function. Oil cleansing represents the foundation of this approach for achieving clear, healthy skin. My nightly routine now begins with thorough oil cleansing before regular products. I spend 5 minutes massaging the oil mixture mindfully. This relaxing ritual enhances both therapeutic benefits and stress relief simultaneously. Steaming amplifies oil penetration and blackhead removal effectiveness significantly. Hold your face over a hot water bowl for 2 minutes. Cover head with towel to concentrate steam on treatment areas. This opens pores, allowing deeper oil penetration naturally. Exfoliation becomes gentler and more effective after oil treatment. Dead skin cells release easily without harsh scrubbing that damages skin. Use soft washcloth with circular motions for optimal debris removal. Track your progress using close-up photographs taken in consistent lighting. Document blackhead reduction weekly for motivation and adjustment needs. Progress photos help identify which areas respond best to treatment. Certain skin conditions require modified approaches or professional consultation first. Active cystic acne may worsen initially as bacteria surfaces. Rosacea sufferers should avoid castor oil due to potential irritation. Sensitive skin types need lower castor oil percentages.